Changing your payout method on Patreon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your funds through your preferred payment method. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Patreon account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to modify. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Payout Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payout Preferences or Payout Method section. Click on it to view your current payout methods and options for changing them. Step 4. Select your new payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use iSRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payout settings. Now you can enjoy receiving your funds through your chosen payout method. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Patreon support for assistance.